Good morning, it's Jane Hardy from Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men. Today I want to talk to you about linking up your networking. And really, I've walked into a room full of people, friends that I just haven't yet met, and I thought, oh, they're so confident. Oh, they've got a better business than me. Oh, I don't speak to that person because she looks so gorgeous and so talented, and she's got this really fabulous business and she just oozes confidence. And there's me, little wallflower, and my business isn't as good as hers or whatever. But we shouldn't ever think about things like that. We should try and make friends, contact these people. It's like, as an aside, sometimes I've been scared to speak to people and I've really missed out on the value that they could bring to me, professionally, personally, whatever. Whereas a while ago, I was chatting with an estate agent and he talked about him for 10 minutes and then gave me his business card, which was great. But he then said, and what do you do as a business? And I told him, and he said, I'm not interested, and walked off. He didn't know that I was looking for a new house to buy and I had to move. But he wasn't interested in me as a person at all. So really, you must never judge a book by its cover, and always think of our ethos at Fab Women, which is connect, share, support and succeed. And you just never know who your best contact will be, now or in the future. Have a great week. See you soon. Bye for now.